Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss the fourth chapter of Social Science, Congo, the land of dense forests. DRC, the Democratic Republic of Congo, or DRC, is a country situated in the heart of African continent. It was earlier called as Belgian Congo. In 1971, the name was changed to Zaire. In 1997, the name was changed it again to Democratic Republic of Congo, which is its present name. River Congo, which is in DRC, is the largest river in the world and second largest river in Africa. Climate. Being near the equator, it is very hot in most parts of DRC throughout the year. The evaporation of water due to the high temperature during the day makes the humidity is very high. This causes clouds to build up by the afternoon and rain comes at 4 p.m. This happens every day of the year. But in some part of the DRC, especially in the south, it does not rain so much. Summer is very hot and wet, winter is cool and dry. Vegetation. Hot and humid climates are excellent for the growth of plants. Therefore, such areas are covered with dense forests called tropical rainforest, which are evergreen forests. Most of the DRC is covered with tropical rainforests. In South DRC, climate is not so hot and wet. So instead of dense forests, there are grasslands with short trees. Such a vegetation is called savanna. Wildlife. A large variety of wildlife is found in the forest and savannas of DRC. Listed are some of the animals found in the DRC region. Agriculture. Farming and mining are the main occupation of the people of this country. The main food crops include maize, cassava and rice. Coffee, cocoa, oil, palm, sugarcane, groundnut, cotton are some crops grown for export. Bread made of cassava flour is used as the main part of their food. Industry and trade. Congo has industries like textile mills, food processing, vegetable oil, soap industries, cement industries, chemicals, mineral oil industries. Congo is rich in mineral sources like gold, diamond, copper, cobalt, uranium and coal. It is the largest producer of cobalt and diamond in the world. Congo also produces hydroelectricity from dams that is built across the rivers. Life of the people. Large number of people live in scattered villages. Bantu and Pygmies are the main two tribes that live here. They live by hunting animals and gathering food. As listed in the slide, many languages are spoken. Transport and communication. Congo River is the chief means of transportation. River transportation is very significant. Transport and communication are not well developed because of dense forests. Railways operate mostly in southeastern part of country. Air transport connects Congo with other African countries and Europe countries. Matadi is the chief seaport. Kinshasa is an important river port.